Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix talkback problem. You can see screen is not working. It will show the buttons when you just tap on here, as you can see. So by fixing, you have to swipe like this, two fingers, swipe upside, click on settings one time, double tap to open it. You can just simply go to search, double tap here, and you have to search here talkback and click on this talkback feature. Double tap, single tap, and by this you can turn off this. Double tap, turn off, double tap. Talkback off. And friends, you can see talkback turned off successfully, and this will fix your problem. And now it is successfully simple working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.